So this is one of the fabrics right here. It's gorgeous. I wish you can see the true color. Maybe if I turn this way, y'all can see it's like a champagne, a tan-ish color. But yeah, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so nervous, so excited. And let me turn it this way for my Instagram. All right. So now I'm making the corset. I'm really just going based off my head because I gotta make 10 outfits before Monday. So I want to tell you a little bit about this amazing fashion show. It's happening in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. It's called Faith in Fashion Experience. It's a Christian nonprofit organization that invited me out, and I am super excited. I've been pushing myself to do a fashion show, but I always try to just claim that my time wasn't right. I was so busy. But I went ahead and said, you know what? Yes, I'm going to do it. I was going to do a fashion show this year anyways, but this is good to try it out before I did my own. Which is why we need to remove. Okay, so I really got to clean this up. Cut this part off. Do the ends, add the sleeve, and yeah. I'll do the ends of the dress too. Night like tonight. Think I'm gonna leave my mind. Get me with those eyes. I'm speechless. All right, y'all. Okay, so this is one of the dresses I made. When I tell you I made this out of straight hard cut mine, no pattern, no draping, just going with the vibes and just like skills that I've learned before that are easy for me just to like think about and put together because I'm on a crunch line. But this is how it's gonna look. I gotta, do the hems and the seams and cut these sleeves to make them perfect. Add the sleeves. I did the zipper. But this is one of the looks. Oh my cycle and everything. So I'm surprised that I was able to get this on because this is a. But yeah, I can't believe. Yesterday I was like confused. Today I'm excited. Like I got two pieces that are fairly done. I just gotta get a zipper for the top over there. But and my sewing room's a mess. But yeah, like I said, I did this without any pattern, so I'm really just shocked of how it came out with it being like so fitted, the size I need it to be. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm starting on my blue outfits. I'm going to make a corset jumpsuit and then a corset top. One of them is still gonna have the style with the ruffles, but look at the detail. When I tell you, I'm not using the pattern, I'm just cutting, so the ends look crazy, but when I put it all together, it's gonna look phenomenal. With this being my first fashion show, I didn't want to stress too much on what I was going to make. I just wanted to see it through. I wanted to get to the finish line and say that I did it, I tried it, and I experienced it, and I can move forward and do better for the next one. So I was really just going based off my vision and the thoughts that God gave me. And I was like, we're going with the flow. It's going to come out good regardless, and I'm going to be confident in it regardless. And I did just that. And my allergies are really getting to me, so please bear with my voice, okay? All right, so yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going, ladies. Let's keep going, ladies. Okay, so I did the pleats. And then I sewed it. Oh, wait. Okay, so yeah, I did the pleats and then I sewed it. Okay, let me start over. I did the pleats, and then I serged everything, and then I connected the skirt to the corset, and now I'm about to add the zipper. No, I'm gonna sew these on first, and I'm gonna add the zipper, and then sew the back. Okay, turn this way, y'all. Please do not judge my sewing room. When I cut fabric be all over the place. When I cut fabric. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Y'all don't mind my sewing room. It looks crazy. But this is what I have so far. I made these pleated sleeves. It was gonna be like that, but it wasn't given. So I made these sleeves. I'm gonna attach to it. Give it a little bit more coverage. Let me put that back up there. So y'all can see the vision. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I want to either make this buttons right here or a zipper. Honestly, it might be buttons because I'm not trying to deal with a zipper right now. I really need to get this done, like done. I want to be like, okay, I got one new outfit done. Move on to the next one. I still got all this fabric left. I'm thinking of making a skirt or a dress, but we'll see. So I got the pants I made. I was initially going to do pants, but I think I want to make this a jumpsuit. So I'm going to have to cut this part open and add a zipper. And then I want to add like a waistband. So like from the back, pull it up at the waistband. So on this part, I'm just going to be serging everything together for the pants. And I just want to take a break and talk about me doing sewing classes. I've been wanting to do sewing classes for so long, and after this experience, because I'm doing this vlog, putting this vlog together after the fashion show happened, but after this experience with the fashion show, my fears are completely washed away. I feel like that was my ultimate fear, and now I want to go into teaching sewing classes. These are my sketches. I'm trying to show y'all. All right, y'all. So I forgot to record before I started cutting anything, but I am on color number 3. I'm on color number 3. What I have so far is I did a little bit of rouging, and I attached it to this top piece. This is a V cut, and I was gonna do a top, but it was too much stomach showing, too much skin showing, and it is a non-profit Christian fashion show. So I don't want too much skin showing, like a little V cut is nice, but the stomach I feel like it's doing a little too much. So I'm going to make this into a dress. I tried this on. It looks gorgeous. I'm like a small medium. I was able to get it on. So I feel like a model that's small, she's going to have a easy time getting it on. I do have a smaller chest, so it might be a little bit too fitted in the bust area for her if she do have boobs, but we're gonna try to figure that part out. But yeah, I'm loving this. I love this look so far, and we're gonna get into it. So we are on, I'm just gonna record this.
No, I don't. No more talk about killing.